Hello friends! Today we're going to be making a really simple set of art projects straight out of paper. All you really need is to use the paper around the house and you'll have yourself a very cute set of art projects. So for this next one, we're going to be making a really cute honeybee. For that, you just need a yellow and black paper and layer that on top of each other. Add in some blush and some googly eyes and look at how wonderful that is. Perfect for arts and crafts boards. Now for this next one, you're going to take a yellow piece of paper and curve that around and you'll have yourself your very own three-dimensional pop-up fish. Look at how cute that was. Now let's go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, we're going to be making some really cute origami pieces. So stick around to find out exactly what we're making for today. It's going to be sort of like a finger pet. Just go ahead and color in it and look at how wonderful that is. Go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, we're going to be using paper to create a really cute animalistic situation, and look at how wonderful that is. It's such an interactive game to have around. Now for this next one, we're going to be making something like a little Santa Claus, so make sure to give it its very own Christmas hat. Look at how wonderful that is. Go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, you're going to need a solo cup and you can cut off the rim and make that into a basket. How wonderful is that? Now with this one, we're going to take a piece of green paper and cut off the edges and put that into a basket. Look at how wonderful that turns out to be. Do the same with a bunch of different colors and add that into your green mishmash and look at how wonderful that is. Now, let's go ahead and make this next one. So for this next one, you're going to take some yellow paper and fold it around exactly like we show you to. Make sure to pause this video or slow it down if it's a little confusing, because this one is a little intricate, but I promise you the result will be entirely worth it. It is perfect for gifting friends and making packages when you don't have gift wrap around. Your very own cute little pop-up box. You can go ahead and add in some eyes and ears and look at how cute that turns out to be. Now, let's go ahead and make this next one. So for this next one, we're going to be making a bunch of pieces of paper, layer that on top of each other, and look at how wonderfully this turns out to be, like a pixelated tulip. Look at how cute that is. Now, let's go ahead and make the next art piece. So for this, you're going to be making an origami piece once more, and this one is going to also have tassels. So make sure that you have some extra color lying around. Go ahead and join all those pieces together and you have yourself your very own sakura. With that, go ahead and add in a bead for the middle to make it look more beautiful, and go ahead and add in some tassels and look at how wonderful that turns out to be. Perfect for cards and elegant displays. Now, let's go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, we're going to be making a really cute laurel wreath, and then go ahead and connect that and look at how cute that turns out to be. Now for this next one, we're going to be making an origami three-dimensional piece. Just go ahead and follow the instructions super carefully and pop it all out. There you have it, your three-dimensional heart. Now for this next one, we're going to be making like a doily, so make sure that you cut it up exactly like we show you to, because every piece of mistake can make a different diagram. So make sure that you cut it up like we show you, and look at how cute that is with the alternating hearts.